Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be going into Dollar Tree to see what kind of food items they have. So if you're someone that is shopping on an extremely tight budget, these are the things that Dollar Tree have. And they typically tend to have non-perishable food items or very slowly perishable food items. So come along with me as we journey into Dollar Tree's food section. And since the hike in inflation, most Dollar Tree food items are anywhere from between $1.50 to $2. And I was pleasantly surprised to see that they have a vast variety of food items, anywhere from peas to soups, dessert stuff for baking, you name it. Even seasonings, they're now starting to bring seasonings. And to me, it was a pleasant surprise to see all the various items that they have for $1.50 or $2. Even the day when I was there filming this video, there was a customer that was there that was stocking up on these Chef Boyardee's beefaroni. So I guess for the mere fact that she was stocking up on so much of them, the price must have been good at the Dollar Tree. You can definitely feed a family of 4 on $10 at the Dollar Tree. Right here, you could just get your pasta sauce or your tomato sauce along with some spaghetti noodles with some seasoning and a bread, and that's dinner. You know what I mean? So yeah, $10 can definitely feed a family of 4 for a day if you shop at the Dollar Tree. And I was pleasantly surprised to see that they have expanded to include a whole seasoning section. You can get your paprika, your ground ginger, your cinnamon powder, your turmeric, and I'm like, whoa, Dollar Tree is leveling up. So yeah, this to me was quite surprising to see that they have expanded their seasoning and spice section. Even the different brands of breads that Dollar Tree carry, they're priced reasonably because most times even these breads you see them in the store and they're going for like $3+ or more depending on the brand. And at Dollar Tree, I think their most expensive brand is $2. Dollar Tree even carries my go-to salty snack, which is the green plantain chips and also the banana chips. Those are my go-to salty snacks whenever I feel for something salty, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that Dollar Tree is now bringing plantain chips and banana chips. However, I buy my plantain chips and banana chips at Walmart because it's priced 25 to 30 cents cheaper than at the Dollar Tree. However, it's good to know that whenever I'm in the Dollar Tree and if I feel for a quick snack, I have the option of grabbing some plantain chips. So this is it, you guys, for shopping on a very tight budget grocery shopping video. All I can say, guys, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. They have some really good stuff in their food section. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.